In this lesson, we'll look at how to request a leave of absence in Workday. But before we go into the steps, let's review the differences between time off and a leave of absence. Time off is usually paid vacation or sick time away from work, and a leave of absence is usually an extended unpaid leave for medical, personal, or military reasons. All USC employees will use Workday to request leaves of absence. We'll begin on the All About Me page in Workday with the Time Off worklet open. Click on Leave of Absence from the Request section on the Time Off worklet. You will be taken to the Request Leave of Absence page, which has additional information and instructions for specific types of leaves. Please note that while some leaves of absence may qualify for disability benefits, the process for applying for those disability benefits is completely separate from applying for a leave of absence in Workday. For more information and documentation, you can also click on this hyperlink to go to the USC policy page regarding leaves of absence. You can use the topics on the right-hand margin here to go directly to information regarding different types of leaves. Now we're back on the Requesting Leave of Absence screen. You can just fill in the first day of leave field, and Workday automatically fills in the last day of work as the last calendar day before your leave begins. Next, provide the estimated last day of leave, and then using the prompt, select the leave type. The list will have all the available leave types you can request, and each employee's options will differ depending on what they are eligible for. If you have questions about the leave types available to you, contact the Human Resources Service Center by calling 213-821-8100 or by email at uschr@usc.edu. If medical certification is available, attach any supporting documentation that is required for the leave of absence. Comments may help other people who are reviewing your request as to why their attention is needed. If you have any comments to add them in the comments field in the lower part of the screen. When you are done with the request, click Submit, or you can cancel the request or save it for later if you aren't quite ready to submit the request. Using the Save for Later feature will create a task in your Workday inbox for you to easily return to the request and complete it when you are ready to do so. The screen shows that this leave request has been successfully submitted. It also shows who will receive this request, and you can close this screen at this point. You can view the status of your request in your Process Status worklet or from your inbox by clicking on the View Entire Inbox link and going to the My Requests or Process Status tab. You can see here that the status of this leave of absence request is in progress, meaning it has been sent to the manager for their approval. You can cancel in-progress items by clicking here. However, once the manager's approval has been made, the status will change to Successfully Completed and the Cancel button will disappear. This concludes the lesson on requesting a leave of absence in Workday. Thank you for viewing. Please view the other lessons for time off processes that have been created for you, such as viewing your time off balance or requesting time off. There are also lessons for other tasks in Workday, such as reporting a life event like the birth of a child and updating your personal information.